Good day. My name is Jennifer Ogude, and I'm going to present to you just a short information about myself. Um, I am 24 years old. I am originally from Lagos, Nigeria. I am about 5 feet 9 inches tall. I love traveling as a hobby. I want to become a nurse in the future because I love helping people. I want to tell you a little more about where I come from. Nigeria is a West African country with the largest population in Africa. Also, I come from the city of Lagos, in particular, which is one of the one of the most fastest growing cities in the world. Lagos, Nigeria's largest, is a very large. Nigeria is a very large city. It's brought with so many things, lagoons, Victoria Island, water, so many fun sites and beautiful nightlife. And it's a very beautiful place to visit. You will love it. It has a very nice climate. The weather is really nice. You will enjoy the weather. Also, I love food a lot. I forgot to mention that earlier. My favorite Nigerian dish is jollof rice and chicken, and also pounded yam with soup. You see the first image here has is a picture of my jollof rice and chicken. I love it. It's mostly made in occasions. It's a occasion is a dish made occasionally, like occasions they use it. It's a really beautiful meal that we're having parties and gatherings. Well, the second dish I have here, pounded yam and with soup, is also a favorite of mine, which is eaten occasionally because it's very heavy and it's high. It's very heavy, makes you full. So I eat it once in a while, and I really enjoy it. And my culture is very rich. There are a lot of varieties of foods, but in particular is my favorite Nigerian dishes, and I just wanted to share that. It is about my family. My family is consisted of my dad, my mom, and my two sisters. I'm the first child of my parents. We are three girls. We moved to the United States because my family got the American visa. We won the American visa lottery. So my transition into this country was really hard. In school, I got to learn how to adjust, learn how to communicate, gain my confidence back because it was kind of a struggle, but I'm glad I was able to overcome it. In particular, yes, my sisters, they like it here now. We have we now understand how it is here, and we love it. We still visit Nigeria. We still visit home like once every year for vacation, and it's beautiful back there. The difference, I love the what I miss most about my country is the weather. The weather there is so beautiful, and it we just have a very the climate is just it's always warm. If it rains, it gets a little cooler. I really miss that about my country. It's a beautiful weather, and we have a lot of food, and things are cheaper. It's something to adjust to. I like it here also. I mean, the United States is a this is a country where you full of opportunities. Like if you push yourself and be determined, you will make it. Like whatever you put your hands into, you will become successful. That's why I'm hoping in the future to become a very successful nurse, to take care of people and take care of those in need, and have a nice family one day. Thank you.